Look at your hands. Feel the weight of your phone. When you slam your palm against a heavy wooden desk, the immediate feedback of sound, pain, and dust tells your brain that the physical world is dense and solid. However, at the atomic level, the matter making up your hand and the table is 99.9999% empty space. This diagram of an atom shows why. A tiny, dense nucleus sits at the center, with electrons orbiting at a massive distance. If we removed this staggering empty space from every human on Earth, our entire physical matter would fit inside a 1-centimeter sugar cube. Everything we perceive as physical architecture, nature, or anatomy is a ghost-like void, held together by invisible fields of energy. If we are mostly a void, what is actually happening when we pick something up or brush against another person? The electrons orbiting the outside of your atoms carry a negative charge. When they get close to the negatively charged electrons of another object, they push away from each other, a physical law known as electromagnetic repulsion. This microscopic grid visualizes what touch actually is. Your outer atomic layers never intersect. The sensation of contact is just two repulsive force fields pushing against one another. You spent your entire life hovering fractions of a millimeter away from your surroundings, never truly touching a single object or person. If we never make physical contact, we have to ask how we successfully navigate through a world of floating, empty atoms. Our survival depends on the brain's ability to generate a controlled hallucination. Our entire sensory experience is a simulation, created to help us interact with an environment we cannot actually feel. Take the way your brain interprets light. Your eyes do not see color, and your ears do not hear sound. They catch mathematical wavelengths and vibrations, which the brain then translates into the sensations of red or loud. Outside of a functioning brain, the color red does not exist. The universe itself is colorless. We only see it because our minds provide the internal rendering. We are effectively living inside a customized biological virtual reality headset designed for evolutionary survival. Even our shared sense of time is an illusion. Albert Einstein's work in theoretical physics proved that there is no universal now that applies to everyone equally. Time is flexible. It slows down when you travel at high velocities or when you are subjected to intense gravitational pulls. If you spent 5 years on a spacecraft moving near the speed of light, you would return to an Earth that has aged 50 years. Scientists have measured this effect using atomic clocks, machinery sensitive enough to track the precise vibrations of atoms. These clocks prove that time dilates depending on speed and gravity. This delay affects your smartphone every day. Because GPS satellites experience faster time in orbit than we do on the ground, their systems must constantly correct for time dilation to keep your location accurate. Because no two people share the exact same movement or gravitational environment, reality is completely unsynchronized. If our local experience is a simulation of distorted time and empty space, what is happening on a cosmic scale? The universe is currently expanding so rapidly that distant galaxies are racing away from us faster than the speed of light. This expansion doesn't break the laws of physics because the objects aren't moving through space. Space itself is stretching. This growth creates regions of reality that light can never cross, making them permanently unreachable. We are living inside a fracturing universe that is slowly isolating itself, leaving us as tiny specks in an ever-growing void. To find our place in this void, we have to look back at the tiny fraction of matter that actually makes up the human body. Every heavy atom in your anatomy was forged through nucleosynthesis, a process occurring only in the extreme heat of dying stars. The calcium in your bones and the iron in your blood were created in supernova explosions billions of years ago. This atomic lineage connects our biology directly to the cosmic history of the deep past. Every cell in your body is composed of materials harvested from the remnants of those shattered stars. Over billions of years, those same carbon and iron atoms organized into the complex neural pathways of your brain. The ultimate truth is that the universe has arranged its own ancient material into a form that can finally look back and observe itself.